Hi children, welcome to today's class. In the previous section, we learned about Eastern cities and the guilds. Have you learned it and completed the notes? In the coming week, there will be an exam for you. The chapters are first chapter from history and geography. Today, we will learn about medieval education. Let's start the topic medieval education. During medieval period, Europe attained remarkable progress in education. Features of the medieval education are expansion of basic education, universities, Greco-Roman knowledge, and Islamic knowledge. Many schools sprang up during this period for imparting primary education. The major subjects taught in the medieval schools were grammar, Latin, astrology, literature, philosophy, mathematics, and laws of nature. Education of women was restricted, and those who got the rare opportunity for education were nuns and the children of rulers and nobles. The medieval education was not confined to the primary level. University education also began to flourish. The main subjects taught in universities were philosophy, literature, medicine, languages, geometry, and law. Many universities were established in Europe in the 11th and the 12th centuries. Important among them are the following: Bologna in Italy, Constantinople in Turkey, Paris in France, Oxford, Cambridge in England. Another important university was the Cordova University, established by the Arabs in Spain. One of the important features of this university was the library, which had thousands of manuscripts. This university provided facilities for learning languages such as Greek, Syriac, Persian, and Sanskrit. Arabic version of books originally written in these languages was available in the library of this university. The advancement of education was not confined to Europe. It began to prosper Central Asia during the period of Abbasid Caliphate. Primary educational institutions were started from 10th century onwards, where children between the age of 6 and 14 were educated. There were facilities for women education in the Arab world. Ladies were given the opportunity to become teachers by attaining the degree Ijaz. The universities of Baghdad and Damascus of Central Asia, the Al-Azhar University of Egypt, etc. were the noteworthy educational institutions of the medieval period. The Far East also witnessed the progress of education in the medieval period. From the ancient period onwards, schools were established at various places in China. Learning started in the educational institutions at the age of 6 in China. In majority of the schools, knowledge was imparted by a single teacher. The Buddhist philosophy was a compulsory subject in the schools attached to the Buddhist viharas. The Gurukula system, where the students lived with the teacher, prevailed in medieval India also. The main subjects offered these institutions were grammar, languages, literature, philosophy, and astrology. Many educational institutions attached to the temples prevailed in South India during the medieval period. Let's recall our today's portions, medieval education. During the medieval period, primary education and higher education attained progress. Many schools sprang up during this period. Grammar, Latin, astronomy, literature, philosophy, mathematics, and laws of nature were taught. Many universities were established in Italy, Turkey, France, and England. The Gurukula system prevailed in India. Many educational institutions were attached to the temples in South India. Hope all of you understood the topic. See you in the next class. Thank you.